Hello each and everyone, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here with another amazing recipe. Um, it's a berry mousse I'm doing today. It's hot summer, really hot outside. So I decided to do a berry mousse recipe to show you guys. I got raspberries, which is frozen, and I got blackberries frozen and strawberries frozen. Just to get some nice, I want it nice and cold and icy, so I won't use any ice, crushed ice inside. The frozen berries work out just fine. So all right, so let's jump right in and get this fun recipe going. Okay, first thing we're gonna start, I'm gonna be doing some orange juice. Let me just wash a couple of oranges right here. Go dry these. We're just gonna squeeze some fresh orange. Nothing like fresh orange juice. Beautiful. Alright, so that's my orange juice right here. Just gonna pour it right inside. Should measure the orange juice. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Alright. Set that aside. Get that baby out the way. So I got one banana right here. It's going inside. Alright. Throw that right in the blender. Get my knife out the way. I love berries. One of my favorites. Okay. So we're just gonna start dumping these stuff right in. So this is half cup of blueberry fresh right here, already washed. And these are the frozen. So I got quarter cup of the raspberry, a quarter cup of the blueberry, and a quarter cup of the blackberry. So that's all the berries inside. I'm gonna pour the orange juice right in there. This I didn't put in the recipe. This is pomegranate. I'm just adding it to it today. I made the recipe without the pomegranate, but I want some pomegranate inside there. So I put a quarter cup inside as well. So all the berries, quarter cup away from the blueberries. Is only half a cup is the blueberries. The rest of berries, they're just quarter cup. All right, so we're gonna start getting this blend right now. So let's get my it on top of here. I gotta put my honey inside as well. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1, 2. I'm gonna get this going. Oh, gotta plug in, eh? That's it. Right, so gonna get my glass. Right, so it's time to open. Get it in the glass. Guys, this is so rich. Beautiful. This berry boost, come back from a nice walk or run in the morning, afternoon. It's afternoon right now and it's hot outside. Just imagine yourself having one of these, right? That's what I'm talking about right there. This berry boost right here. Wow. The pomegranate give it a nice flavor, a nice tang to it. I didn't even have to put any lime or lemon inside, but it works out beautiful. Wow. Loving it. I'm going outside right now to sit and have my berry boost. All right. This is so good outside. I just want to show you guys. It's amazing when it's hot. It's really hot right now. And this is the perfect thing to have. The berry boost. It boosts up your energy. Guys, it's really good. So everyone should try this out. And please let me know how you like it. I will drop the recipe in the description for you guys. So please check it out. Like and share. Share the videos. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And please drop a comment and let me know how it turned out for you guys. See you in the next one.